What's up, YouTube and all my Can-Am riders out there? Today we have a 2025 Spyder F3, brand new. As you know, now I'll be doing Spyder stuff. It's not just Rikers anymore. It has elevated after 5 years, and we're gonna light this bad boy up something fierce. All plug and play, courtesy of Sling Mods, courtesy of my own Chaser Light brand. Let's get busy. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of these stock reflectors and this sticker reflector. We're gonna put the plug and play turn signal kit. First thing we have to do is remove the fender. After we remove the fender, we're gonna go underneath, disconnect the wire, take the fender back, drill the pilot holes in to run the new wire in so we can have turn signals. And we're gonna integrate them with A-arm turn signals. So let me start by removing the 4 bolts that are behind the fender, that are holding the fender. Take the fender off. And this little bracket here comes off, don't lose it. Then after I get the fender up, we're gonna disconnect the wire, take it back, drill the pilot holes, then I'm gonna bring the fender back. Okay, we got the fender off, easiest way to do it. We unplugged it from the daytime running light. And now we're gonna drill the holes for here, run the wires. We're able to just easily and freely work on this fender so we could tuck the wires nice so nothing is gonna be rubbing on the wheel. So that's a Spyder F3 without a fender, if you're curious on how it looks. Let's continue to drill the holes. Sorry guys, I lost audio. There is the 2 wires, one for the upper turn signal and for the lower turn signal. And right there is the extension that comes out of the daytime running lights. And here you have the splitter that connects the 2 lights together. And so it works seamlessly as an integrated turn signal. So once you put those in, you're going to tuck the wires away. Okay, so we got them plugged in and working well, front and back on one side. Oh gosh. All right, plugged in, working well, front and back, one side. Let's hit the turn signals. Flashing both turn signals, front and side, front and back. These things get pretty hot. Okay, we got everything stuck on, LED lights. Let's see how it looks. Turn the key, light up, rear, hit the turn signals. Woo! Then we got yellow turn signals in the front. Just gotta zip tie everything up and we good to go. Yeah. Gonna do the other side. Underneath the A-arm for the Can-Am Spyder, you're gonna find the attachment for the turn signal lights. You have to use that splitter that you get from Sling Mods, so you'll be able to tap into being able to put the A-arm turn signals in. So it's going to be either located under here or under there, depending if it's the 2024 or 2025. Just had to put that in the video, I forgot. So this is the accessory harness switch, splitter, not switch, which is great about this. You're going to be able to tap into other 12-volt accessories with this without having to tap into your battery. So it's actually a good thing to pick up if you have it, especially if you want to add lights or other accessories. This is like a tap, so good thing to pick up. Okay, we got the chaser lights running on there, turn signal accent lights, fire, look at that underneath, it's looking good. So we got chaser lights, we got all done. Got it.